it's Cleofe here and welcome to Crafting Shed. In this video, I'm going to show how to adjust the size of this crop top that I just did to a different size. The link for the full video tutorial of this top is in the description below. This is the top that is featured in the tutorial, and this fits small, medium size. Body width is about 18 inches, which is about 36-inch bust size. And neck opening is about 7 inches with a depth of 3 inches. The first thing that we need to adjust is the starting chains. This determines the neck opening. So the starting chains for this project is a multiple of 5 chains for the sides and 4 chains for the corners. So to illustrate, this is the starting chain and round 1 in the tutorial. So the starting chain was 126 chains. The breakdown for that is 6 pattern repeats at the top. So 6 times 5 equals 30 chains. Same at the bottom to make it equal. So bottom is also 30 chains. Left and right side has 5 pattern repeats. So 5 times 5 is 25 chains in each side. Then corners have multiple of 4 in each corner. So that's why I put 4 in each corner right here. So if we add them all up together, this equals 126. So that's how I figured out the starting chain for the piece in the tutorial. I started with 126 chains. So this is my starting chain in the tutorial. This is 126 chains. My process is when I do my first round, I try it on myself like this and determine if it's the right fit for me, if it's the right measurement. So this is my process. I just try it on. And then if I like it, then proceed with the next round. So my suggestion is select your favorite yarn. You don't have to use this yarn. Just follow the process, determining the starting chain, and then try it on yourself, and then determine if it's the right measurement for you or your preference. And if not, then just add multiples of 5 in side. And then for the corners, it's the same. If you have 4 corners, then just 4 chains in each corner. Here is an example of an increase in the neck opening. I crocheted the first round and the starting chain was increased to 146 chains. I increased each side by 5 chains or 1 pattern repeat. So top and bottom sides are now 35 chains each, and left and right sides are 30 chains each. So each side I increase by 5 chains or the 1 multiple. So corners are still 16 chains, multiple of 4 in each corner. If we add them up all together, this equals 146 chains. So this is just one example. You can modify the number of pattern repeats on each side by adding or removing a multiple of 5 chains. This way you can personalize your neck opening according to your preference. Next adjustment is the body width, and we do this by determining the number of rounds to crochet before creating the arm opening. I crocheted 12 rounds, and here is my process in coming up with this. So this is now the piece at round 12, the round where I stopped at the tutorial. So I try it on. And then the way I determine if this is the right measurement for me, I want the sleeves to be right here because I wanted it cap sleeve. So this is my desired measurement for the sleeves. So that's my first criteria. And number 2 criteria is the length here. From the top neck opening to the chest area. So I want it right under my arm. So this is perfect. Although I can't join it yet. So what I did is for the next round, I'm just gonna add joining chains here so that I will have my desired measurement for my body. I just add about 2 inches here and 2 inches here. So that's how I determine my measurements. So how to adjust? My suggestion to adjust to larger size is to add more rounds, and you just have to do this by your own estimation. Crochet up to where the last round is under your arm. So estimate how many rounds you have to adjust and then try it on yourself. And this is important. The last round should be either pattern repeat round 2 or round 4 or round 6. Meaning you can choose which round to stop, but it has to be round 2, 4, or round 6 pattern repeat. For this piece in the tutorial, my last round, which is round 12, is round 6 pattern repeat. So once you determine your own number of rounds, just proceed with the next round that was shown in the tutorial, which is the joining round. It would be the same pattern. Next adjustment you may want to do is on the joining chains. So this would be the round where we create the arm openings by joining the 2 corners. In between these 2 corners, I crocheted 10 chains right here. So this is also multiple of 5, and 10 chains measures about 2 inches. So if you need to increase this part to get your correct body width, increase it by a multiple of 5 chains, and 5 chains will increase by 1 inch. So I have 10 joining chains here, which is about 2 inches. If you want to adjust it to 3 inches, just add 5 chains. So 15 chains will have 3 inches here, and then the other side also 3 inches. And so on and so forth. Then the last adjustment that you may want to do is the length of the top. And this is the beauty of this pattern. You can crochet this as a regular classic length top. You just continue with the pattern repeat and add more rounds until you get to your desired measurement. And as to the finishing rounds in the arm and neck openings, this is freestyle at this point. You can modify the pattern according to your preference. You can add more rounds if you want a wider band, or if you have a border pattern that you want to incorporate for your preferred style, then please do so. And you can also add a finishing band at the bottom, which in my opinion would also look nice also. So thank you very much for watching. I hope this helps you. And if you have any questions, just leave it in the comment and I'll try to answer it as best as I can. Bye for now, until next time, and please subscribe.